Okay, hello you guys. Welcome back to a video. I know it has been a while since I've uploaded, but this is my brother Eli. For those that don't know, he is the youngest brother I have. How old are you?
12, about to be 13.
Ay, perdón. He's single. Right now I'm really hungry for I don't know what reason. But it is Tuesday?
Monday.
It's about to be Tuesday because it's 11:45 right now at night, and my parents are both asleep, and so is my brother. So we're gonna try to attempt to sneak out to Jack in the Box. It is down the road from us.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, it is.
So we'll get there in within like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna get our food, and then we're gonna sneak back into the house. So, Mom and Dad, if you ever find my videos,
Sneaking Out Part 1.
You guys, my brother acts like I've never snuck out of the house before. No. I open it. Stop, you take forever. See? Just close. Slowly. No, hurry. Check right there, go. Right.
So you already know we just finished sneaking out because my sister's too bad at sneaking out.
Okay, so listen, you guys. He acts like I've never snuck out before in my life.
She acts like I haven't. We have
yeah,
two
but you sound.
She tries to go fast. We have to go.
Yeah.
So guys, we have separate ways of sneaking out. Me, I sneak out slowly. She sneaks out fast. We'll put some music on, bruh.
Okay, so we're literally right down the street from our destination, which is Jack in the Box.
Alright, so if you want to see part 2 of sneaking out, well, not part 2, another one, just make this to 5,000 likes.
Oi, así nada.
How much? What's the goal?
What's the goal for this video?
Yeah.
5 likes.
10.
Make it 10?
Make it 10.
Alright, make it 10.
Bro, we just arrived at destination, Jack in the Box.
So far our mom hasn't called us, so that's a good sign, right? They didn't hear us, but
Bro,
Chicky is coming in. Because my brother sleeps in the living room for, I don't know what reason. They share a room. They can share a room. They just don't like sleeping in the same bed together.
You best not trip or something, boy. You better
not trip.
Bro, I know I ain't, bro. If I get caught, mom not gonna let me go to that field trip, bro.
Really?
Yeah. She said, si haces algo más malo, te va a quitar el teléfono, te va a quitar todo esto de esto y no vas a ir al field trip mañana.
Is there ketchup in there? Sorry. Thank you. You as well.
You saw her?
excuse the mess. I'm remodeling my room. I literally painted this room by myself. I just got these covers a day ago, and I'm obviously gonna get floor instead of carpet, so ignore my mess and enjoy the mukbang. Sorry it looks so gross, but so we got tacos from Jack, a little jugo mix
Moment.
I don't know if I'm weird, but I put my sauce, my hot sauce, on top of
She's weird.
my taco instead of inside.
I don't do that. I put it inside. That's better. After that boyfriend, muchas cosas cambiaron. Muchas cosas cambiaron.
Like what?
Like you being weird.
So Eli, what do you have to say about my boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
Hmm?
He's cool.
Mm-hmm.
He's chill to hang out.
You like him?
And
Wait, hold on. You like him?
no, not like that. But just cuñado to cuñado.
It's story time. So Saturday morning, I
9
woke
a.m.
up. Yeah, so Saturday morning I had woken up. That day I had slept with my brother because, like I said, we're remodeling my room. And so I slept with my brother. And I woke up and I see that he wasn't there. So I'm like, okay. And that was weird because he's literally up so early playing his PS4. And he wasn't in his own room playing the PS4, so I was like, what the heck? So I go to the living room, and that's where my brother sleeps because, like I said, they don't like sharing a room. So I go to the living room, and my brother isn't there. And I'm like looking all over the house like crazy. And I'm freaking out. I couldn't find my brother's location. And I'm over here calling both of them, and none of them answer. And I'm like, oh my god, my mom and my dad are both at work. Both of my brothers have been abducted. The day before, they had talked about hooping with my boyfriend. So I pull up to where I thought they were at. And sure enough, they were there because I had texted my boyfriend too, and he wasn't even texting me.
We're hooping.
Because they were busy playing basketball. And I'm just like, wow, since when do my brothers and my boyfriend have dates without me? Like, yeah, just yeah. So the reason why we wanted to sneak out was because he was confessing to me one of the first times he snuck out. I got mad at him, and obviously I told him some stuff. So I was like, if you ever want to sneak out again, you can tell me because I'm your older sister. This is just part 1 of sneaking out with my brother, because I'm going to try sneaking out with the other one as well. I'm pretty sure with him it's going to be really bad.
And he's never sneaked out.
He's never
He's a
snuck
good
out.
boy.
Yeah, like he's like dead as a good boy.
He's a good boy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure like I said, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.